the historical capital of Europe, foggy London, or the futuristic city of the future, built in the middle of the desert, Dubai? In recent years, thousands of people have been moving from London to Dubai. What is the reason behind this? Is living in Dubai really cheaper, or is it just shiny advertising? Today, we will compare these two cities based on the latest official numbers. Let's go. 1. The main expense, downtown apartment rent. Let's start with the biggest expense in life. How much does it cost to rent a one-bedroom apartment right in the city center? London. The average price for a one-bedroom apartment in the center is approximately $2,950 per month. Dubai. In downtown Dubai, however, you can find the exact same apartment for around $2,300 on average. Conclusion. Average apartment rent in Dubai is 20% cheaper than in London. Furthermore, apartments in Dubai are modern, and most of them include free access to swimming pools and fitness centers. 2. For coffee lovers, the cappuccino price. London, the average price for a daily coffee is approximately $5.20. Dubai. In Dubai, it is slightly more expensive, around $5.90 on average. When it comes to coffee, London is a bit cheaper. 3. Public transport, subway and bus. London, home to one of the oldest and most expensive subway systems in the world. A monthly public transport pass costs around $255 on average. Dubai. The Dubai metro is fully automated, driverless, and incredibly clean. A monthly travel pass is only around $76. Transport in Dubai is more than 3 times cheaper. 4. Taxi service. London, taxis, the famous black cabs, are a very expensive service. You might end up paying $30 to $40 even for a short distance. Dubai. In Dubai, taxis, such as Careem or public government taxis, are roughly 30% cheaper than in London and very accessible. 5. Tax-free living and salary net income. This is the most interesting part. London. Although the average salary is good, income tax in the UK is very high, ranging from 20% to 45% depending on your earnings. The average net salary is approximately $4,350 after taxes are deducted. Dubai. The average net salary is around approximately $3,900. However, the biggest advantage is that income tax in Dubai is 0%. Every single coin you earn stays entirely in your own pocket. 6. Purchasing power. When calculating the ratio between salary and prices, the purchasing power of the local population in Dubai is, on average, 8.3% higher than in London. This means you can buy more things with the money you earn in Dubai and live more freely. 7. Safety levels. There is a massive gap between the two cities according to this indicator. Dubai. One of the safest cities in the world. The safety index is extremely high. If you accidentally forget your phone or wallet on the street, it will just stay right there. London. Unfortunately, phone snatching and petty crime have increased significantly in London in recent years. The safety level is rated as moderate. 8. Population and atmosphere. London, it has a population of about 9 million people. It is a rainy and beautiful city with a rich historical culture. There are plenty of green parks. Dubai. It has a population of 3.6 million people. It is a highly dynamic city of sand and towering skyscrapers. It gets clear, sunny weather 360 days a year. 9. Food and restaurants. London. Dining out in restaurants is expensive. A dinner for 2 in a mid-range restaurant costs around $102. Dubai. A similar dining experience in Dubai costs around $78. Restaurants in Dubai are, on average, 22% cheaper. 10. The special, shocking fact. In London, just to watch television in your own home, you have to buy a special government license, TV license, every year. This costs approximately $215 per year. In Dubai, more than 85% of the residents are foreigners, expats. You will very rarely encounter local Emiratis on the streets. Also, in Dubai, they fire technology into the air to create artificial clouds to make it rain, cloud seeding. In conclusion, if you love history, green parks, culture, and a cooler climate, London is for you. But if you need safety, modernity, tax-free high income, and constant sunshine, then Dubai comes out on top. Which city would you choose? Write it in the comments. See you in the next video.